Hey guys, so if you're having similar problems to me fixing this hose into the pressure washer, so I'm going to take this out so it doesn't fit in, it won't stay. This part's alright, but this section here keeps popping out. So what do we do? So one thing is get this connector here, and even then it doesn't fit in. So I've made a slit here just widening it out, but it still doesn't work. So we're going to try a different thing now, a different method. We're going to cut this off so it's even. So I've now cut this off. So my plan was to just slit it a little bit so that we can be forced into this connector here, but it doesn't fit. So now what we're going to do, we cut it off and we're just going to heat this a little bit in order to expand it. So I'm going to get my lighter, if I can find it. Where did I put it? There it is. So I've got a lighter here. I want to expand it a little bit and then I want to see if I can stick it in. So the problem is this hose doesn't go into the washer pressure. So this is a connector. I want to try to connect it through here. So here we go. We're gonna just heat this up a little bit. We don't want to burn it though. We don't want to burn it. We just heat it up just so it can push out like that. Alright, okay. Let me heat a bit more. And then you're going to expand out like this, and there you go. Look, it's already expanding. So you're going to keep doing this until this expands a little bit, because it's made of metal. Look, it's already, I can feel it with my fingers, like it's a bit more malleable now. So that's one option in order to stick the hose into the pressure washer. And the final option is to buy these adapters. So this adapter didn't work. Oh, it did. You just have to heat it up, or get one of these adapters. So it comes in two ways. That goes into the hose if you want. This goes in here. Just twist it. Twist it, and this hose just goes in. Simple as that. And it should stick on. So that's one way of connecting the hose to the pressure washer.